Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make Instagram Reels just like this with artificial intelligence. And real quick, I want to let you guys know that my name is Boustedt and I run the Takeover Shop, so editing assets and presets for content creators just like you. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's tutorial. Okay, so the app that we're going to be talking about today is Submagic, and Submagic is an awesome tool. It literally allows you to create viral shorts in literally just seconds without any creative knowledge, without any editing experience. And it also even has a feature called Magic Clips where it clips up your long form pieces of content for you. So if you run a podcast or you do YouTube videos and your clients want the YouTube videos to be chopped up, etc., you can go ahead and do that. You don't need to hire an editor or anybody. You can do it all straight from your web browser. Okay, so once you get to Submagic, what you guys want to go ahead and do first is upload where it says upload here, and then you're just going to drop or browse your video. So just go ahead and select the talking head sort of video or whatever video you want to edit. Now, this is a talking head. I'm going to play it through so you guys can see how many mistakes I've made. There's one. Then I pause again. There's a train, yada, yada. But anyways, we're just going to go ahead and generate captions for this video. And while that's actually doing that, I'm going to go ahead, use the free time that I have from letting AI do the work for me and pop a new flavor of Monster. Pipeline Punch, we're going to try it out. That's actually really good. Damn. Okay, so now that the video is done sort of loading, generating captions, we're going to go over here to the trim feature. Now, this is actually probably my first or second time using this feature. So today's going to be a learning experience for you as well as me. I'm going to go ahead and hit this remove bad takes and see how this sort of works. I'm very curious because if this works really, really well, bro, I'm hyped. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete this. So just hit X remove. I'm going to remove this. Simple, super easy. I'm sharing with you guys how to edit. So now that we got the general flow of the video working, let's go over to the captions and adjust the captions as needed. So now we are in the captions tab. Go ahead and just pick whichever sort of style you like. They got the Mr. Beast, which is actually really, really funny. They got random stuff like this. I'm sure if you guys have seen this style, which that's actually a really dope style. But today I want to share with you guys how I would personally use it, how I would actually use it for sort of my own personal clients or for my own personal brand. Submagic has this feature called Edit Theme. Now, editing the themes is the sauce for Submagic. You can upload your own font, which I actually already have. You just drag and drop your font, super easy. Go to Akira Expanded. That's my font. It's what I really enjoy. I'm going to change the color to this sort of yellow like this, and I'm going to turn the size down a little bit like that. I just want it super, super clean, super minimal. I don't want a shadow on there. I want everything uppercase, which this font already is, so I don't got to worry about that. Stroke, I don't want a stroke. I just like to keep it simple. Display words, let's just do 2, and then maybe we'll bring this up to about right here. And then animation, no. Punctuation, no. Auto emoji, I'm not really feeling the emojis, so don't really want that. And then I'm just going to go ahead and select all these colors, make sure they're all the same. And then from here, I'm just going to go ahead and change this to Chris. You guys can name this your own name or your actual client. So that way you just have a theme for each one of your clients, which I think is an awesome way to do it. So we're going to go ahead and create the theme. And there we go. We have the theme down here just like that. And then let's go ahead and play it through and see how it's looking. So as you guys heard, you can add your own B-roll. Now, I didn't know that this app actually had this. Otherwise, I probably would be using Submagic way, way more. Now, I'm going to be using this tool a lot more moving forward, especially because I've been slacking on Instagram. So shout out Submagic. Let's go over here to captions. And I think the timing is a little bit off on some of these. So let's go ahead and just really dial in the timing. Okay, so I'm just gonna edit this timing like this because there's like a little bit of a blank space. So I'm gonna go ahead and just match this up to 3.68. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring this up 3.68, just like that. And then there won't be that blank space. And then essentially just do that for the entire reel if needed. Now, honestly, you don't even have to watch the video. You can just look at the timestamps and make sure that they line up, and boom, there we go. We got the caption sort of dialed in. So now the sauce is adding B-rolls. Now, I've never done this, so we're gonna go ahead and learn this together. They got magic zooms and they got magic B-rolls. I'm just gonna go ahead and add the B-rolls, then maybe play with the zooms afterwards. Let's go ahead and hit the add button and then B-roll. And then we're just gonna go over here, type B-roll. I'm gonna select the video, and then you guys can actually use their B-rolls, whatever, free videos, etc. But I'm gonna go ahead and just import all of the footage that I have that I filmed for this video. So we're gonna go ahead and do so right now. I'm gonna create a line break right here, split into new line. So now you can add your own B-roll. I'm gonna go ahead and do type B-roll video, go to my B-rolls, and then I'm just gonna go ahead, select maybe my keyboard, just like this, hit apply, and then just like this, I want another one, maybe just my actual desk setup. Bada bing, bada boom, super easy, bro. Wait, this is actually kind of gas. I'm gonna show you clips in my room. I'm gonna maybe just split it like right here, and maybe just do like split another one, just so that way there's a lot of B-roll going on screen. Now, let's see, let's add this monster clip. Maybe we actually do a start from, because I know this video is a little bit off. Maybe do select this frame like so. Apply. Same exact thing, just keep adding in your B-rolls. Now this is actually pretty dang fire, bro. Not gonna lie. I'm gonna add this one like this. Maybe do a little start from, let's see. I'm gonna start it from right there. Select frame, hit apply. In my room. Banger, bro. So now let's go ahead and just play this through after adding all the B-roll to see how it's actually looking. AI in just 5 minutes. Now you can add your own B-roll just like this. Now it's stuttering because it's rendering, but you guys can kind of see the vibe that we're going for. There is a transition, so I'm gonna see what sort of transitions they got. Let's go ahead and do like a burn transition, as that's typically actually what I use in my real videos, so that'd actually be pretty fire. Okay, so let's mute that audio for the transition. Oh, I think there actually is. Remove audio. Or we can add an audio. Wait, yo. You can add your own sound effects inside of Submagic, bro. Wait, this is actually insane, bro. We're gonna go ahead and add the takeover click, which is a free sound effect pack on my website. You guys can go ahead and check it out. It's pretty dope. I'm just gonna go ahead and import this, drag and drop it. I'm gonna go ahead, select it and hit apply. And then we're gonna see if this actually lines up pretty well. 5 minutes. Now you can add your own B-roll just like this. Okay, so that's actually a feature that's really, really dope, is you can add your own sound effects into this, which that makes me wonder, can you add your own? Okay, you can't. If you could add your own overlay transition, that would be insane. So Submagic, if you guys are watching this video, maybe try that out. That'd be fire. All right, you guys, so now that we got the B-rolls, we could actually go into the boost feature, which, oh, okay, so this is actually pretty fire. They got like a hook sort of feature. So it gives you like the thumbnail, a little bit of an animation, which, bro, back in the day when I was in my agency days, this would have been so helpful. That's actually a really cool feature. Imagine having my viral hooks pack inside of this app. That would be crazy, bro. That would actually be a pretty dope collaboration. Description and hashtags, that's pretty fire. Let's see actually what it would say. Unlock the secrets to quick editing using AI. I would use this title right here. And then you could actually add background music. They got inspiring, motivational. Bro, that's actually so fire, bro. You can add your own background music as well. This app actually like kind of blew me away. Not even gonna lie. I've heard about AI video editing tools, but I had no clue that they were this good. So dang. So if you guys aren't using Adobe Premiere Pro to edit your videos, or you don't know how to edit videos, that's actually no longer a valid excuse. I literally made a video on my web browser, didn't have to pay for it other than the subscription for Submagic, but I'm sure you get a free trial. That was really freaking fun. That was really dope. So we're gonna go ahead and export this quality just like this. 1080p is all you really need, and then 30 FPS. I'm gonna go ahead and export, and then we're gonna go ahead and watch the final video when it is complete. All right, guys, so I got the video pulled up. This is our first ever video that we have edited in AI. And I actually recorded this on my phone, so this is actually nuts, dude. Let's check it out. I'm sharing with you guys how to edit Instagram Reels with AI in just 5 minutes. Now, you can add your own B-roll just like this. I'm gonna show you clips in my room. You can add captions as well on screen right now, as well as there is a clipping feature that we're gonna go over in today's tutorial. Bro, that's actually crazy, bro. All right, and also I did say that we're gonna be talking about the Magic Clips tool in the beginning of this video. So essentially, if you have a long form piece of content, you can go ahead and throw it inside of here, and it's gonna make the clips, but also add the captions and do everything for you. So first thing you wanna go ahead and do is Magic Clips. Then you want to upload your video. Now, if you have this on your computer, go ahead, drag and drop it, same thing. But something that's really, really dope is you can paste a YouTube URL. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go over here to YouTube, and then we're just going to go over, and maybe we're just going to do like, let's just do low just for S and Gs. and just see kind of what it comes up with. But let's go ahead and just copy paste this video, this link, just like so. And then we're just gonna go ahead, clip duration, auto, get viral clips. It's gonna hit you with the ETA of how long it's gonna take. It's gonna take like 17 minutes to do so. That's what it says right now. So in your free time, you can go ahead, chill out, get some other work done while you're having a video editor work for you. But we'll be right back when this is done. All right, guys, so we just got the vlog sort of completed. It's made 13 clips for us. Let's go ahead and check out what it actually has done for us. So it actually names them for you, which is actually pretty funny. Let's just see. Let's try to find like late night moving struggle, emotional goodbye. Okay, so let's actually go ahead and edit this clip. I like this one a lot. I'm just gonna go ahead and slap on my my preset and then just go ahead and play it through and see what it looks like.
Honestly, I don't really know how today's vlog went.
Okay, so this is actually pretty fire. So you could like low-key use this to clip up stuff and then just like throw captions on it and like low-key just call it a day. This has like a layout, which let's see, contain. Oh wait, I actually like this style a lot more. Let's go ahead and play that through.
So honestly,
yo, this is actually so fire, bro. I'm actually probably gonna start using this a lot for my vlog content because I actually have been vlogging a little bit. So you can go ahead, just plug in your vlogs, grab clips from it and just like post it on your Reels tab and then just see kind of how it does. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you guys have enjoyed this app sort of breakdown, go ahead, check out Submagic down below. So I highly recommend this tool if you're trying to get into content creation, but you don't have the editing skills or the time to make short form content. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe down below. Or remember, take action, take over. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.